4 competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped.
Damn, why you gotta say it like that?
Chefs, please open your baskets. And let's see what you can do with sea scallops, guaje beans, aged cheddar, and pickle juice. The 20-minute appetizer round starts now.
I want to make pan-seared scallops with a white wine, pickle juice, honey sauce.
I see my scallops. I want to grill them.
I'm gonna make a beautiful bourbon with that aged cheddar.
The sea scallop, my approach is going to be to get a great sear on it. And then I'm gonna surprise some people. I'm gonna use ginger.
I know my scallops are done perfectly, but that frico, no good.
Pickle juice. I'm gonna make a broth. I'm gonna bind it a little bit and to make it thicker.
Rene just took the Ultratex out, and he's using it to thicken the pickle juice. Very interesting.
All right, chefs, it's your last 60 seconds.
The aged cheddar, I'm gonna microplane it, and I'm just gonna plop them on each scallop.
My scallops got a nice grill mark on them. I'm not worried about my plating. That's what I do as a stylist.
Everyone's furiously plating.
25 seconds. Jeez.
My heart is racing, my hands are shaking.
Someone will be chopped first, chefs. Don't let it be you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Danny.
I prepared for you a grilled sea scallop over an aged cheddar polenta.
The food stylist is really coming out here. There is a real look to this plate that I'm going to remember.
Chef Rene.
I made a pan-seared scallop on a green apple bacon guaje salad.
It's very mild, and I think the guaje beans were a real stumbling block for you.
Chef Nancy.
I've prepared for you a aged cheddar frico with guaje beans.
Nice job with the beans.
Thank you.
But for me, it's not a dish. A dish is not 4 ingredients put on a plate.
Chef Lester.
I topped the scallop off with the aged cheddar cheese, and I made a guaje bean sauce.
Awesome.
You also did a good job at searing and seasoning the scallop, and the sauce is nice.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Nancy, you've been chopped. Chef Danny, Chef Rene, Chef Lester, please open your baskets. Your ingredients are black bass, raspberry lavender risotto, savoy cabbage, and caul fat. 30 minutes for the entree round, starting now.
I decided I'm going to sear the sea bass. We've got this risotto that's got like lavender and dried raspberries in it.
I decided to take one half of the fish to do a roulade, take the other part of the fish and pan-sear it.
I'm gonna make caul fat wrapped black bass and some nice lardons with applewood smoked bacon.
I know what caul fat is. I haven't worked with it, but I know you're supposed to like wrap things in it. I'm doing a crazy technique.
Looking at my plate, paying close attention to details. But Danny's the visual artist, so I'm kind of worried about her presentation skills.
I get my risotto down, and I'm cutting my caul fat sausage. I'm just like, oh God, it's not holding together. It's falling apart. And thank God my dish was rustic, because otherwise I'm like screwed.
This kitchen is absolutely frantic.
Chefs, this is your last minute. Gotta wind it up.
What I really want to do is take the roulade and sear the caul fat, but there's no time left. I barely have time to get those roulades on the plate.
My heart's going a mile a minute. I'm practically hyperventilating.
Oh my God.
Gotta take charge in these final seconds, chefs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Renee.
I made roulade with the cabbage and the caul fat and pan-seared bass with raspberry lavender risotto.
I appreciate the technique that you applied to this dish. I think the risotto has good flavor.
Chef Lester.
I have a caul fat wrapped black sea bass, along with a lavender raspberry risotto.
You have deep flavors here.
There's a lot of depth in here, a lot of goodness.
Chef Danny.
I have prepared for you a pan-seared black bass and a raspberry lavender risotto.
The fennel that was in that sausage turns out to be a perfect vehicle to bring the raspberry and the lavender together.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Renee.
All right.
You've been chopped.
It's just me and Danny now. That's it.
Bring it on.
Please open your baskets. And you must use cosmopolitan mix.
What is this, man? Sex in the City?
Dried apples. Biscotti. And edible flowers. You'll have 30 minutes for the dessert round, starting now.
I'm just gonna cut them into nice uniform batons, toast them. I'm gonna use the cosmopolitan mixer as a glaze, infused with pink peppercorns and cardamom and ginger.
And I'm gonna make a caramel apple gelato.
I get my mascarpone. I want to kick it up with some honey, some yogurt. I want to just blow the judges away, man. I might try to make an ice cream.
Get the spatula under them.
1 minute left, chefs.
It's kind of looking good for me at this point, and I'm pretty impressed with myself.
Wow, I'm all over the place. I am running like a loon. I'm really, really just like hoping I get everything on my plate.
30 seconds, chefs.
Oh boy, it's on right now. I mean, Danny is grabbing her stuff out of the freezer.
I'm just like, please, please, let it all come together for me.
I see Danny's cookie falling apart, and my heart is beating with joy. She's crumbling like a cookie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Lester.
I came up with a dried apple parfait with a biscotti baton.
I think you did a good job using the flowers. They're in every bite that I have.
And now we go to Chef Danny.
I have prepared for you a caramel apple gelato with a gooey chocolate biscookie.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Stupid good.
Why do you think I wanted to beat him to the ice cream machine?
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Danny.
Yes.
You've been chopped. And that means, Chef Lester Walker, that you are the chopped champion.
I'm so excited. It's just a blessing, man. Just to be doing something that I love to do and to actually be pretty good at it.